Okay, I've got two different types of recordings going on here. The first one is just the built-in mic with the camera, and you can see what kind of sound you're getting from that. And the second recording is actually the sound from using the shotgun mic with the Olympus voice recorder plugged into it. And you can hear the difference. Next, I'm going to set up the wireless mic with the camera and the wireless mic with the voice recorder. Okay, the lapel mic. You can see this little thing that I'm holding, and you can see what it sounds like as I get closer and further away. So you might want to experiment a little bit with that when you use this microphone. At this point, the wireless mic is being used with the Olympus voice recorder. And now I'm going to switch over and connect the wireless mic directly to the camera and see if you can hear any difference. And now I've got the lapel mic connected directly to the camera. And the sound recording should be somewhat similar. Okay, that's it for now. The wireless mics are actually quite easy to use, and you have two parts to it. The first part is the actual microphone, which would be the sender, and this is what you actually clip to whatever or whoever you're recording, and this is right here. You can see that's the lapel mic. And this part, which has this small jack on it, which is a 3.5 millimeter, this is the receiver. And you can see on top there's actually two inputs. You could put another microphone in there and headphones if you want to listen to it. And both of these have a channel input 1, 2, and 3, and keep it on 1. That's all you need. And this is the on-off switch right here. And when you switch it on, the red light comes on. Same as on the microphone. Keep it on channel 1, switch it on, and then plug the receiver into whatever you're recording with. In this case, if it's the voice recorder, you just plug it into the mic, and then you have to set up the recorder to record from an external mic, and I'll show you how to do that next. And then you just, once it's set up, you just start recording. And it automatically goes. There's nothing else you have to do. As long as both ends of the wireless mic are on, it'll work just fine. And you'll see right there, it records a number of seconds, and that's when you know that it's recording. And then when you've recorded enough, you just hit stop. Or record again, and then hit stop, and that ends that particular session. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you put the chip in, and you're going to get this message that says switch to SD, and you just agree with it. And then this little message that says recorder comes up, and you just click that. And then you choose your folder, and in this case we'll just choose folder E. And then you hit the menu, and what we want to do is we want to work with the external mic, which would be the wireless. So you move down to input select, and you move up to external mic. And then with your record levels, also set it for external mic and set that on auto. And also your mic gain and set that for external mic. The next microphone is the shotgun mic, and this is the Rode shotgun mic here, and you can see that there's a device to attach it to a camera. And the first thing that you have to do is plug in the XLR jack. That plugs into the end of it, like that. And this end of the XLR jack would go into the voice recorder or the camera or whatever else is recording. And it just goes into the bottom here. And in this case, we're going to work with the left. If you want stereo, you need two microphones. So that's where it plugs into. And then what you need to do is you actually have to set up, again, the Olympus recorder for XLR mic. So you click menu until you get this menu coming out here with record mode on the top. And you move down to input select. And you go down to the bottom and it's XLR phone. And then you're set to record with the shotgun mic.